fix credit card decline on Fortnite. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix if your credit card is declining in your Fortnite account. So first of all, just open your Fortnite account, and after that just simply click on the three dot icon from the top right corner. Just remember that I'm following these steps in my Epic game launcher. So you can use any of the game launcher of your preference. You can use Xbox, Epic launcher, or any other launcher of your choice. And after that, just click on the three dot icon from the top right corner of your mobile screen. And after that, just click on the more section from the bottom. And here you will be able to see the option called help. Just simply tap on it. So if your credit card is not working in your Fortnite account, that means there is some technical glitch or there is some technical issue from the website or the game holder itself. So in order to fix that issue, you need to contact the customer chat support and ask them to fix your credit card declining problem. And that is the only solution that you have regarding fixing your credit card declining situation in the Fortnite game. So as you can see that I am in the help center page, and now you need to click on the contact us section from the page. And after that, on this page, just scroll down and click on contact us again, and just simply log into your account if you haven't already. And after that, your support request page will be open, and here on this page just simply scroll down and you will see your account details, and you will also see the option called describe your problem here. Just simply click on describe your problem here and just describe the problem that you are facing, the problem regarding your credit card not accepting the payment in the Fortnite game. Just simply write it over here. And after that, once you are done writing your problem and describing it in details, just click on submit an email request. And after that, the Fortnite customer support team will reach out to you and help you regarding fixing your issue with the credit card not accepting your payment. So this is basically how you will be able to fix if your credit card is declining in the Fortnite game. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.